Namaskar, I am Prakash Astrologer presenting you December 2020 monthly forecast. All the predictions are based on moon sign, but you can use this prediction according to your Lagna Rashi as well. If you know your ascendant, your rising sign, then you can use this prediction according to your Lagna, according to your rising sign, as well as your moon sign. You can follow this according to that. Choice is yours. The base is Indian Vedic astrology for all of you. December 2020 monthly forecast for all of you. Going to talk about Pisces for this coming month. Pisces. Transit of the month for Pisces. Transit of Mercury for Pisces in 9th house, 28th November till 17th December. When that Mercury is transiting in 9th house, you come across these kind of scenario situations. Transit of Mercury in 9th house from your moon sign. The Mercury transit 9th house from your moon sign, and this time period, this signifies suffering from health problem, disease, health issues, health complications. When the Mercury transit from 9th house from your Mercury transit 9th house from your moon sign, this signifies suffering from health issues. This particular phase will bring in some obstructions, interruption in your field of work or career, taking care of yourself with respect and honor, position in workplace intact, making sure that Mercury is transiting in 9th house from your moon sign, making sure you don't have to regret any of your action done this particular time. Watch out for comfortable hurdles before you venturing into something new. When the Mercury transit 9th house from your moon sign, mentally you feel hassled, overburdened, and unstable due to several reasons. Beware of enemies. This particular time period could harm you more during this phase of time. Avoid any arguments with your family member or relatives. This may lead to unnecessary argument or conflict with your members. During this phase of time, you also susceptible to become irritable and may try to find out fault in matter of regard related to religion, politics, common belief. This particular period also demand more labor from you in order to accomplish your task undertaken by you. However, a feeling of lack of interest may stop you from working hard. Avoid undertaking any long distance travel is likely to be troublesome, may not give you any desired result. When the Mercury transiting in 9th house from your moon sign, taking care of your food intake and try and keep yourself in a positive frame of mind. When the Mercury transiting 9th house from your moon sign. Transit of Venus for Pisces in 9th house, 11th December till 4th of January. When the Venus transiting in 9th house, you come across these kind of scenario situations. Transit of Venus in 9th house from your moon sign. When the Venus transit 9th house from your moon sign, this mostly signify one set of a new wardrobe. It's also donate material comfort, happiness, harmony, financial gain, indulgence in precious jewelry, valuable items, luxurious items is also indicated during this phase of time. Businessman or businesswoman will find this period a very smooth, especially smooth one, with satisfactory profit and result. Success in education is also indicated during this phase of time. Health would remain good in shape. At home, your sibling would be more cooperative and affectionate than ever. Some auspicious deeds are likely to be performed at this time period. You may also decide on your relationship, your companionship, or if you're eligible bachelor, you can decide about your marriage as well. During this phase of time, you're likely to get a match of your choice, who would also bring a fortune for you. A socially conducive period could also be expected, where you're likely to make a lot of new friends. You're also getting a mentor to show you the spiritual path. Your interest in artistic field would be rising. Your good qualities and virtuous deeds would be noticed, would bring more regarding reputation in society. This time could see your desire fulfilled, enemies defeated. If you're involved in any kind of a discussion, you're likely to be winning the same. You may even consider going to a long journey during this phase of time. Transit of Sun in 10th house, 15th December till 14th of January. When the Sun is transiting in 10th house, you come across these kind of scenario situations. Transit of Sun in 10th house from your moon sign. This is a favorable period to donate some professional gain, promotion, progression, success in your all undertaking. You're expecting the promotion at workplace, favor of seniors. When the Sun is transiting in 10th house, Favor of seniors, honor from higher authorities, even more opportunities could be expected than this business phase of time. This period could be donating success in your undertaking, favorable culmination of any stuck-up deals. When the sun is transiting 10th house, socially you may expect even more respectable position. Your social circle will be getting widened, meaning more positive and gainful interaction, particularly with companion. Honor from circle of friends and acquaintances. You may even expect to be honored by the highest authorities. You could expect a more gain from an unexpected quarter as well. Your health will be at the best in this phase of time. Overall happiness would surround you. Transit of Mercury in 10th house, 17th December till 5th of January. The Mercury transit in 10th house, you come across these kind of scenario situations. Transit of Mercury in 10th house from your moon sign, 10th house from your moon sign. When the Mercury transit 10th house from your moon sign, this donate contentment and good timing for you. When the Mercury transit 10th house from your moon sign, you would be happy and successful in all your undertaking. Professionally, a very good period could be expected as well. You would be able to finish off the work given to you successfully on time. Happiness at home is also indicated when Mercury transiting 10th house from your moon sign. You could also be expecting to meet someone very special, interesting in this phase of time. When the Mercury transit 10th house from your moon sign, some of you also expecting to spend some passionate time with someone very special, enjoying thoroughly. Possibility of gain from this person also indicated in this phase of time. When the Mercury transit 10th house from your moon sign, financially this could be also good timing for you. The success in your undertaking will be gainful for you. You may expect other monetary gain as well. This particular period also bringing you rise in status, prestige in society. You're also likely to be honored and may command more respect in society. When the Mercury transit 10th house from your moon sign, you may also become more socially more active and may get involved in social welfare work. Mentally, peace and calmness is indicated. Your enemies are also likely to be defeated, and with ease you could find calmness in your life during this phase of time. Transit of Mars in 2nd house, 24th December till 22nd of February. The Mars transit in 2nd house, you come across these kind of scenario situations. Transit of Mars in 2nd house from your moon sign. When the Mars is transiting in 2nd house from your moon sign, this will move through your 2nd house from your moon sign. This mostly suggests a period of loss. Taking good care of your finances, focus on your safety of your valuable item. You may suffer from losses due to cheating, deception, fraud, due to theft. When the Mars is transiting 2nd house from your moon sign, you may also suffer from rutted phase at your workplace due to several unpleasant happenings. Keep yourself away from argument. Don't lose your temper. Refrain from out of control aggression or out of control word of speech. Watch your manners. Watch your word of speech before uttering them to anybody. People can take your words and sometimes you can be out of control, and that will ruin a lot of important things for you. Your work or profession may see you very low phase during this phase of time. Some of you may even lose your position if not handled. Your mannerism, your dealing, your conduct, your mingling properly, carefully. Beware of your old enemies and avoid creating a new one. You may develop the negative emotion of jealousy toward other people during this phase of time. This coming month of December 2020, with the help of task precaution chanting, you must sort out yourself. You can sort out yourself. You must sort out your Venus, Moon, Jupiter. Venus, you must sort out Venus. If you want to achieve ultimate success, prosperity, rising, you must sort out your Moon. If you want peace of mind and happiness, you must sort out your Jupiter for professional status, for health and happiness and harmony. That will prevent you from any kind of professional losses, financial losses, flow of income issues, professional backing issues, relationship crisis, family happiness issues, peace of mind, career, health, happiness, well-being. With the help of task precaution chanting, you got to sort it out, your planets, for the best. If you want to sort it out, why don't you go to the website, prakashastrologer.com, and acquire the full monthly report and implement the full monthly report for this coming month of December, and sort out your Venus, rising success, prosperity, lifestyle, comfort. Sort out your Moon, your vision, your imagination, your peace of mind, harmony, happiness. Sort out your Jupiter, profession and health and happiness and harmony. Thanks for watching this monthly video. Would you like to know more about what this coming month is going to bring for you regarding your job, business, profession, career, financial backing? Would you like to know how you're going to do in this coming month regarding your romantic life, love life? Would you like to know more about the events happening in this coming month? Would you like to have some guidance regarding your decision-making strategies or choices-making strategies and how you can resolve your problems, complications, hassles, obstacles, waste of time, delays in this coming month? If your answer is yes, then what you're waiting for? Please get your very thorough Moon Sign Monthly Horoscope Report on the video as well as written. And do visit my website, prakashastrologer.com. I want your best in this coming month. I want you to achieve the best in this coming month.